are some of my recent creations. If you want to make them, tutorials available on my channel. Or you can DM me on Instagram and TikTok to customize your order. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok by the same name, QazLa Crochet. Feel free to ask if you have any questions about crochet patterns or any video suggestion. I'll be happy to see your DM. One thing I must say, likes are totally free, so please don't hesitate to like this video. Hi friends, welcome to QazLa Crochet. If you want to learn how to crochet, then you're at the right channel. I'm your new crocheter friend QazLa, and I'll teach you how to crochet from basics to advanced with all the tips and tricks. I have made this super cute baby dress with headband, bracelet, and feeding bottle cover. In this video, I'll explain how to crochet super cute milk bottle cover. Watch this beautiful baby dress tutorial in next video. This is super easy for beginners and looks so beautiful. So friends, go grab your yarn and crochet hook, and let's crochet together. I'm using 3-ply yarn with 3mm crochet hook. First we have to make magic ring, as I'm showing you. Wrap yarn around your finger like so. Insert your hook under first strand, and pull the second strand through this. Make chain 3, that counts as 1 double crochet. Then make 11 double crochet, including chain 3, 12 double crochet in total. Pull the short end to close this ring. Slip stitch and join in top of chain 3. Chain 3 to start row 2, then 1 double crochet in same space. 2 double crochet in each stitch. There should be 24 stitches at the end of row 2. Slip stitch and join in top of chain 3. Make chain 3 to start row 3 and 1 double crochet in same space. Then 1 double crochet in next 1 stitch. 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, then 1 double crochet in next 1 stitch. Repeat till the end of this row. Base part done. Now we have to crochet an upward position. For this, chain 1 and 1/2 double crochet in back loop only in each stitch till the end. If you want to make this for bigger size, add 1 or 2 more rows for the base part, then start this half double crochet row. Slip stitch to join in first stitch, and start V-stitch round. Chain 4 and 1 double crochet in same stitch. This is our first V-stitch. Then skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, 1 double crochet in next same space. Skip 1 stitch, then 1 DC. Chain 1, 1 DC dot in same space. Repeat till the end of this row. This is called V-stitch. Slip stitch and join in first stitch and start next row from first V-stitch space. Chain 4 and 1 double crochet in same space. Then 1 DC, chain 1, 1 DC in next V space. Repeat till the end of this row. Repeat this row one more time. V-stitch in each V-space. Now we are adding border edging to give it a nice finish. Drawing color B, I am using orange color for border edging. Join and make chain 3 then 5 double crochet together. Make 5 unfinished double crochet. When you have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. Now we have 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over hook and pull through all these at once, and chain 1 to lock this. Yarn over hook and make 5 unfinished double crochet in next V space. When you have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all loops at once. This is called double crochet together cluster, or tulip stitch. Repeat till the end. Fasten off and hide the tails inside with crochet hook or yarn needle. Look how cute it is, and super easy to make. If you want to make this for taller bottle, only what you have to do is increase base rounds according to that size. Thanks for your time, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Take good care of yourself. Goodbye.